Here's a quick little video on how to replace the battery in your Santa Fe key fob. Kind of two different styles. If you have this style, I've put a video up in this corner here. You can click on that. If you have this style, I'll show you how to do it in this video. You're going to need one of the 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description. I'll take you straight there. And then just a regular flathead screwdriver. So what you want to do is press this silver button and pull your mechanical key out. Now take your screwdriver and you want to put it in this slot right here. And just push and twist. You kind of see they're pretty firmly together. Then you can take your screwdriver or something small, pry out the dead battery. Take your new battery, make sure it goes in positive side facing downward. And you want to clip these back together, give it a nice firm squeeze like that. Make sure you got your red light lighting up there. Put your key back in, and you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.